Henny there?
Hello?
Is Henny there? It's Miss Sharma?
Who?
Sharma?
Who?
Sharma?
Shauna?
Okay. Yes, I work at Kushki Bahala Meat Shop.
Hello?
Honey, this is Miss Sharma.
Okay, bye.
No, wait. Hello?
Who are you?
I am the manager at Kushki Hala Meat Shop. Would you like a free hamburger?
Who the fuck is this?
It's Kushki Hala.
Do you know what time it is?
It is 9 in the morning, mister.
Mister? Oh, how are you, ma'am? Stop trying to prank call us.
I am good, how are you?
You can kiss my mother.
Jasmine?
No, it's your mother's aunt.
Hello?
Annie, this is your mother.
I swear to God, who is this?
I work at Kushki Hala Meat Shop, and I am telling you, you can have a free hamburger. Just call now.
Sweetheart, you don't tell me who you are right now, I'm hanging up.
What are you gonna do? Punch us in the face, you little pussy?
Bye.
Excuse me. You better not hang up on us, you Mr. Vishushkavan. No, don't you dare. I will hurt you. I will find
And that's right, you better eat your Kushki Hala Meat Shop.
Oh my